Today we're working on prime factorization. Before we can even start finding the prime factors of a number, let's talk about what a prime number is. A prime number is any number that can only be divided by itself and 1. So prime numbers only have 2 factors, and we'll talk about what factors are in a little bit. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. Now the next question is, what is a factor? A factor is a number that divides exactly into another number without leaving a remainder. If you're not sure about how to find a factor of a number, here are 2 examples. I will use the prime numbers given. So we are going to find factors for the number 2. Let's use a T-chart. And the number 17. I know that 1 times 2 is 2, and I can just put a multiplication symbol here. If that's easy for you, you can do that. 1 times 17 is 17. Again, if it makes it easy for you to put a multiplication symbol to show that you multiply those together, that's fine. There are no other factors for 17, just 1 and 17, so we are done. These are the factors for 2, 1 and 2, and the factors for 17, 1 and 17. Now I'm going to find the prime factorization for the number 42. 42 is an even number, so I know that I can multiply 2 times a number to get 42. And I know that 2 times 21 equals 42. 2 is prime, so I circle it. 21 is not a prime number because I can multiply more than just 2 times or 1 times 21 to get 21. I know that 3 times 7 is 21. 3 is prime. 7 is prime. So now I have my prime factors for 42. And I write my prime factorization like this. 2 times 3 times 7 is my prime factorization for 42. If I multiply 2 times 3 times 7, I will get 42. So this is my prime factorization. Now I want to show you the prime factorization for the number 36. I know that 2 times 18 is 36. You could start with any 2 factors for 36 and you'll be fine. 2 is prime, so I circle it. 18 is an even number, so I know I can multiply 2 times a number. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 is prime, circle it. I know that 3 times 3 is 9. We never use 1 when we find prime factors. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 is prime, so I circle it. Now I have my prime factors for 36. So I write 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Every single number that's circled is written down. I have 2 2's, so I'm going to say 2 to the second power. That means 2 times 2 times 3 to the second power. And that means 3 times 3. That's my prime factorization for 36.